Here's the number one mistake you want to avoid when launching ads, right? I was talking to a friend of mine the other day and a couple of clients before that, and this thing keep popping up, right? So I'm actually, by the way, I'm driving right now, stuck in traffic like it's bumper to bumper out here. So I figured I had this on my mind. I want to get it out. Plus, I just left an event where I'm learning how to, learning more about, building audience and producing more content. So one of the challenges that I have is I need to produce more content, and I'm supposed to post a video today. So I'm gonna make this video. The number one mistake to avoid when launching your ads. In the conversation that I have with people, and I'm assuming like you have a product already, it's already selling, and you want to launch ads because you want to accelerate, the growth of your business, right? A lot of people are, talking about doing ads. I literally just had this conversation today as well, where the person I was talking to had not even sold anything yet, and they talking about running ads, and I'm like, that ain't what it is. Like, go make sure you can sell the thing before you start running ads, because if you run an ad and you can't, and the thing doesn't sell, who knows why the thing didn't sell? So it's better to leverage your, sweat equity to make sure that people are gonna buy the thing. That way, there's a need, or there's a place in the market for what it is that you have to sell, and then you can accelerate, the growth of that. You can amplify that with ads, right? But what a lot of people do, that I recommend, right, when I'm having these conversations, is understanding the levels of awareness of your market. This is very critical, something that, and honestly, it's like something I be forgetting that we do because it's such a part of our process. There's something called the 5 levels of awareness. You can kind of go look this up. I'm not going to get into all of what they all are, but one of the key levels of awareness we try to identify when we're launching ads, especially like starting out, not scaling, right? But like we're in that launch phase of trying to get our ads moving in the right direction. I'm a big believer in, the quickest way to a destination is a straight line, right? And so with that, in the levels of awareness, solution aware people, right? They know they have a problem, because there's also some called problem aware, right? But we're looking for solution aware people who know that they have a problem. They already are looking for a solution, and they just trying to pick the best solution. And so what I recommend people, particularly if you are serving a problem-based audience, like your offer or your product that you sell, your service, what have you, is very need-based in the terms of, most people are buying your thing to solve a very specific problem. I fully recommend that the first thing that you do is you identify what the solution aware person, like where do they live, like what's going on in their mind, like where is they operating at, what are they searching on Google, like, because you want to get in front of those people. And it's pretty simple, right? You get in front of them, you tell them that you have a solution to the problem that they have, you invite them over to your website, and you demonstrate how you've helped other people solve the problem you're offering to help them solve. It's really that simple. So if your thing is already selling, you should have case studies or testimonials or reviews or whatever it may be, where you can demonstrate how other people have been able to get the benefit or the outcome, the desired outcome that your problem or service delivers, and just show that to them in a very, direct way. You ain't even got to get fancy. Your copy ain't even got to be the greatest in the world. It's literally just providing enough, in the court of law, they call it beyond reasonable doubt, right? You have to have enough evidence to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. That's really all you trying to do. Like, it's not even a copy thing. It's just you want to present that to them So when they have, you know, a situation where they see beyond reasonable doubt that you can actually do the thing that you say you can do to that problem. And instead of trying to get super fancy and this, that, and the third, we're trying to get that in front of people who are already in the market to solve their problem. That is what we do when we are launching ads. And that is what I recommend to my friends who call me, to my clients, or what have you. That is where we start, because the probability of success is very high when you do it this way. So hopefully I didn't go over nobody's heads and this makes sense. I'm trying to simplify it as much as I can to really connect with people. And these are the conversations that I'm having with people in my circle, my clients, my students, you know, my friends who in the industry who call me for advice on these types of things. And I literally have found myself in the last couple of weeks having this conversation with multiple people, getting them to understand, like, no, we just need to get in front of people who are already looking for what it is that you got, looking for the solution that you have, and just present that in a way where, you know, think about it like I said, you know, beyond a reasonable doubt that you can actually deliver on the solution that they need, right? The desired outcome. And you're very, very much more likely to have success with that, right? And that's really what we do. We start out with high probability strategies, and then we leverage those, and then we go down the pecking order from highest probability and so forth. And as we scale, a lot of times we're launching lower probability things at scale, but that's what you have to do when you're scaling. But initially you want to do the highest level, highest probability activities and strategies. And this is one of the key secrets to how we actually do that. So that's all I got for this video. I'm gonna wrap up. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this. If y'all like this kind of game that I be dropping, I got so many more of them like this. But I got challenged to record a video today. I wanted to do that. So let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you on the flip side. All right, peace.